Welcome to our home tour. At the entrance, we have a digital door lock system from Philips. We chose it for the lever handle design that can be unlocked using our fingerprint in one motion, which we felt was the most natural way we open our doors. Now we don't face the problem of forgetting our keys. Our home is a 4-room HDB with a standard BTO layout. We went for a modern and minimalistic theme in grey, as we felt it was a neutral palette that is classic and timeless. Light-coloured vinyl flooring was used throughout the house to make the space look bigger and less cluttered. We have also installed day and night curtains in the rooms in grey to suit the theme. For our living room, we chose an L-shaped sofa from Stitch & Kit, as well as a cream-coloured low-power rug from IKEA, creating a cozy space to watch movies and YouTube videos. With the blackout curtains and customizable RGB lighting, we can have the full movie experience even in the day. We have smart RGB lightings in the house which can be paired with Google Home Assistant. Now, we can control the brightness and color of the lights through an app on our phone and also via voice command, letting us set the mood and ambience for the living space. On the other side of the wall, we have mounted a 65-inch LG OLED TV that delivers deep black levels and vivid colors, which provide a truly cinematic experience. The TV is connected to the Sonos Arc soundbar, which has 11 speakers of room-filling Dolby Atmos sound, so we can experience the immersive all-around-you audio like in the cinemas. Under the floating TV console is the home of our trusty Roborock S7 robot vacuum. Our oversized red beanbag from Duke provides a pop of color in the living room. We have outfitted our DB box with full-height mirror panels to create an illusion of a larger space and to check ourselves out before we leave home. It also functions as an additional storage space when needed. We installed a uni-arm door stopper on our main door, which also has soft auto-closing feature. That is all for the living room. Let us move on to the next space. At the dining area, there is an elegant pendant light with adjustable color temperature and brightness that we bought at an affordable price online. It can be adjusted from warm to cool and dim to bright using a remote control. At the dining table, we are able to have the TV tilted so we can watch our shows while having our meals. Behind the TV is impeccable cable management, such that no cables are seen from the front. Our dining table can be easily extended and rotated to fit up to 8 people when there are guests over. We also bought an accordion chair online, which provides additional seating at the dining table when needed. It is easy to set up and can be kept when not in use. Let us move on to our dry pantry. Here we have our rice cooker as well as our water dispenser, which we use to make our morning coffee. We use Lagrange switches to match the grey carpentry in the house. We chose a black LG fridge as we thought the black glass looks classy. Let's move on to the kitchen. The flat came with the kitchen tiles, which kind of matches our home. We chose a crystal white glass for the backsplash to complement the grey Southstone quartz countertop. This is our Samsung microwave, also in black. We use soft closing mechanism from Bloom for our drawers. The hood and the hob are both from Brand. We chose induction cooker for ease of cleaning up and also to prevent household fires as we are complete noobs at cooking. This is our favorite appliance in the kitchen, the integrated dishwasher, which looks seamless with our carpentry, saves water, electricity, time, and most importantly, our marriage. Next is our top mount sink and tap. We chose one that can be extended to help us wash the corners of the sink easily. The dish rack is covered by black tinted glass held up by Bloom hinges. We hid our switches for the hood, hob, and dishwasher in our top cabinets for aesthetic purposes and easy access. We opted for light grey at the top cabinets and dark grey at the bottom so that the kitchen does not seem too dark and to give a sense of spaciousness in the area. We kept the original folding door of the service yard as well as the laundry rack that is provided by HDB. This is our LG 2-in-1 washer dryer. And this is our Ariston water heater which we installed in the service yard. We installed track lights at the corridor for some accent lighting. Let's move on to the rooms. The first room is our very own home gym. Ta-da! There is a foldable power rack and bench so that the husband can exercise anytime he wants. We put in full height mirrors across the whole wall to check our form just like in the gym and to make the small room seem a lot bigger. In under a minute, the foldable rack and bench can be set up for the husband to do his weight training. The equipment can also be easily stowed away when not in use. We like to blast music on the portable Marshall speaker while working out. The second room is the big baby room. We did not put any carpentry in the room so that it is a flexible space to cater to our needs. Right now, it is a study area and music room. We got a standing desk from OmniDesk with multiple screen display. We also got the Secret Lab chair in full black. We put another huge dupe beanbag in here for lounging and just relaxing. Over here is where the husband plays the guitar and piano. There is also a projector which can be used to project onto the empty wall. We connected a Chromecast to it to make it a smart projector so that we can cast videos and even extend the desktop screen to it. Let's head on to the master bedroom. This is a king-size bed from Temple, sitting on a storage bed frame placed within a specially customized headboard that houses 2 floating side tables. We also have a 55-inch Samsung TV in the bedroom because drama never sleeps. We wanted this design as it reminded us of being in a hotel room, and we wanted to live in a hotel room every day. The storage bed frame is huge and very useful as we can use it to hide away bulky items and our darkest secrets. Our aroma diffuser helps us sleep better, and the Dyson hairdryer because it's pink. We have a Google Home by the bedside to switch off all the lights from the bedroom with voice command. We bought the bedside lamps because they cast a very cute shadow. The drawers also have soft closing. Our wardrobe has black tinted glass sliding doors that look expensive. The lights in the wardrobe can be turned off if you don't want to showcase the mess inside. The LED lights on the headboard provides nice ambient light. We installed a glass sliding door for the master bathroom. We overlaid the toilet with tiles to match our theme. We installed mirror cabinets for more storage and also changed the acrylic panels for softer lighting. Our shower mixer comes with a rain shower. We chose not to install shelves but opted for a detachable basket instead to hold our toiletries. Last but not least, this is our common bathroom. We chose grey tiles with distinct marbling patterns on the wall to contrast with the tiles used in the rest of the bathroom. We bought the mirror with backlight online and glad it came in one piece. The laminate and quartz of the bathroom are the same as the kitchen to give a coherent look. The toilet paper holder has a surface to rest your phone. We chose a PD door with black mirrors facing the corridor so that the corridor does not feel too claustrophobic. That is all for our home tour. Thank you for staying with us throughout the video. Please like and subscribe if you would like to support us. Goodbye and see you next time.